What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy GRIFFOBLEEDEM back with another trading video, you know what I'm saying?
I'm a young nigga stacking cheddar, no, I don't give a fuck about shit. Tryna fight when shit around me, niggas better watch they.
I don't know how long I was in this trade, probably for like a day, a couple hours. So I guess technically a swing trade, you know what I'm saying? If this is your first time being on my channel, this is a lit, funny trading channel. Bottom line, you feel me? So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna have a goal. On this video, can we get 100 likes? You know what I'm saying? I wanna start making goals for myself, so hit that like button for the kid. And shit. I know this is risky, but if you're watching this, my baby, shout out to you. I'm talking about my ex, by the way. Oh! Call me delusional. Everybody got that one ex, you know. That's how. Hey, if you watching this, my baby, I'm ready for you. You feel me? But let's get straight into this video. So today, let me get my screenshot right now. So today I just hit Euro USD for like 2.4K. I mean, that's slight, but I'm really kind of tight earlier because earlier this week I got smacked for like 5K from USD CHF, which I currently just got back in. Like, I don't know if I showed y'all, but it looked good as fuck for buys. And then I think it was on like Tuesday or Wednesday, news hit and it just made it reverse all the way up. So you know what I'm saying? It looked good for buys now, so we getting it for buys. And shout out to y'all, bro. I see y'all hitting that subscribe button, bro. I love y'all boys, man. We almost at 3.1K. And I'm not gonna lie, the project that I'm on right now, I'm on to run as much money as I can up, because the end of this year, going into next year, we getting our own crib. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We getting that crib. So now, mentally, all I'm doing is just stacking bread, running up as much money as I can from my job and from trading too. So you know what I'm saying? We ain't doing nothing but stacking money, putting it up, and you know what I'm saying? So here we go with this bullshit where my screen record take forever to pull up. Here we go. There we go. Now we talking. It just started, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know why I say you know what I'm saying so much. So this is the trade that I'm in now, USD CHF. Y'all see, bro, this is the daily time frame. Look, so I wonder if we could bar replay this shit. So let's just bar replay it to like right here. So right here, I think this is where I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting it for sales. Just ignore the buy position that I'm in right now. But y'all see the tweezer top right there, and it's kind of making those head and shoulders pattern. And then news, I think Wednesday hit, and we got that fat old bullish engulfing candle that's gonna pop up. We got that candle right there. I lost 5K. It didn't fully hit my stop loss, but I got out before it hit my stop loss because it's obviously a bullish engulfing candle. And then that's where we are today. So you know, it made a bullish engulfing candle, and then shoot, I don't like it. Like, it tried to sell, but obviously it's not strong to that side. And today's Friday, so I'm really holding a trade over the weekend. So we probably not gonna see what this shit gonna do until next week. But if we look on a weekly, obviously we in strong buys. Obviously, look, took out this recent. Well, that's technically not a lower high because that's higher than this one, but like, you could just see structure. Obviously, it's not in this overall downtrend that it was in on the weekly, and that's a double bottom to the resistance. You know what I'm saying? So that looked good for buys to me. I'm gonna keep holding it. You know what I'm saying? Till next week. I don't give out free signals. We all gotta get this money. I don't like, come on, bro. Tap in, bro. Y'all don't have to take the position, but just look at it. 90% of the time where I'd be like, this finna do this, it does it. And I'd be like, Griff, play the clip. Feel me? But that's the trade that I'm in right now. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna hold that over the weekend. And so, boom. But let me show y'all what I just made this, what was it, $2,400? And it's still selling. So I think what made me get in right here, because I think, yeah, I got in this joint while I was at my job earlier. So I seen a retracement. Once you see a retracement on a trend, what do? Grab the Fibonacci retracement tool. Duh, it's easy money. So I drew my fib, boom, boom, I drew it. Then I was like, damn, you could look, draw a trend line with this joint too. So I drew my trend with the, fib with the trend line, and I was like, oh yeah, this bitch look good. And it made a evening star form right there. Look, reversal candle off the trend line, evening star pattern, and we got a fat old bearish engulfing. So you know what I'm saying? That's what made me get in. And then I was looking at the daily and the weekly, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hold this long term. But I'm not gonna lie. So right now I'm on a top tier. Phase 1 200K challenge, and bro, I ain't gonna lie. At this point, I'm just trying to pass that John. Like for real. Like I'm just trying to pass that John. So whatever the markets give me, I'm just gonna take that shit. To be honest with you, no diddy. But this shit is just textbook. Still, I like it. Look, head and shoulder pattern. Obviously, this joint is finna still sell for however long it goes. But me having 4 years of experience with this market, bro. Sometimes, like earlier this year, the end of last year, I used to hold my trades. Like I used to be up like a lot of money. Well, not like as much now because I had a smaller account, but I think I had like 100K. I used to be up like what, $2,000, $1,700, and I'll be like, nah, bro, it's gotta go here, it's gotta go here, bro. The market's got, bro. What y'all don't know is the markets don't gotta do shit, my nigga. They don't gotta do a damn thing. And if the markets throw you some money that you like to see, bro, take that shit, nigga. Now it's crazy how I used to be like, oh no, I'ma hold it, da-da-da. And the markets will give me my money, I'll look at it, don't take it, and then it'll reverse and I end up losing. Like, but nowadays I'd be like, oh hell no, I'm gonna take what the markets give me. And I done showed y'all hella setups where I was supposed to hit my TP, and my TP was over the goal I was supposed to hit this phase 1. But nah, I got out early and took my money, and you know. So this is how I made that $2,400. Let's go look at the 4 hour. I mean, the 4 hour really don't have that good of structure unless you was just to get in and be like, oh yeah, this is two heavy ass bearish engulfing candles, and I'm gonna just get in. Like yeah, you yeah, you could do that, but. And then I felt like I be seeing a lot of people trail they trades with a stop loss. I feel like I got bad luck with trailing my stop losses, bro. Like every time I put my stop loss in profit, I feel like the market be like, oh shit, that nigga Griff put his stops in profit. Like let's go hit that bitch real quick and then keep going where that nigga wanted to go. Nah, me personally, I'ma just take my money. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's how I made that $2,400. It's already finna hit 10 minutes. Y'all know I don't like making long videos, and I'm currently in USD CHF. That's JPY. Oops. I'm currently in USD CHF. Hopefully this bitch goes crazy, bro. It shouldn't sell. Matter of fact, and I can see where I can draw a trend line. It shouldn't sell. I mean, yeah, it shouldn't, bro. It shouldn't sell. It shouldn't sell. It shouldn't sell. Look. Market, look, I'm gonna just read market structure to y'all. So y'all see it consolidated for how many days it ever wanted to, right? We got a bullish engulfing. I don't know if I already said this, but we got a bullish engulfing, right? And it's bursting through a resistance right now. So I should make some reach off of this shit, just off that bullish engulfing candle off the daily, bro. Like that right there should give it all the momentum to keep going for buys. Like I shouldn't see no sales. Now, I'm gonna be pissed off when I was in sales earlier this week. Y'all stopped me out, acting like this bitch is gonna buy. That's gonna piss me off. But shoot, other than that, I be giving y'all a free game. The least y'all can do for me is hit that like button. Like I said, the like count goal is 200, and my subscriber goal for right now is 10K, and we on that project moving out of mom's crib, you know what I'm saying? So we got a lot of stuff that we doing this year, and we got a lot. I'm stuttering. We got a lot to. Damn, Griff lock in. We got a lot of work to do. You know what I'm saying? And shorty, who I was talking about at the beginning of the video. I'm serious, my baby. We can make it happen. You feel me? I'm one call away. You know what I'm saying? I know your birthday next month. I may be delusional, but you know, every year, you know what I'm saying, I gotta stop by. You know what I'm saying? At least text you, send you a little video. You know what I'm saying? So hit that line, baby. I'm not gonna reshoot my shot till next year. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause when I reshoot my shot, I want to have the crib. You know what I'm saying? Come in, have the candles lit for you. You know what I'm saying? I can cook my baby, barbecue on that grill. You know what I'm saying? Show you how to trade and shit. Bro, let me get off of this. Hey, I can teach you how to trade, but I might be delusional and shit. I'm gonna just keep it up. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But yeah, bro, that's what we do. Shit, we hoop, get this money, and we delusional as fuck. But hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all niggas in the next video.